What's up, guys? Leo Pazzo TV. Thanks very much for joining me in NAB 2025. I'm gonna go around a couple of the booths over here, check out some products, share with you guys, so come along with me, let's check it out.
Hey, this is Joel at the Godox booth here at NAB 2025, and I'm here to show you some of our new fixtures. We have the MS60bi, MS60R, as well as the S60bi, or the R60bi and the R60R, so 4 models. All the difference is that the M designates that it's CRMX. One of my favorite features that I'll start with is that it's our power options. We have our battery that's fully chargeable, USB-C. We have our NPF attachment, which is a super popular battery that everybody has, also with the 14-volt input. And then my personal favorite is what you can see back here is the Edison mount, which is just insane that I can screw this in the fixture. It even allows us to pop this out, 2-prong power, and then you can run serial and 4. Great concept. So on the other end is same modularity. Fresnel lens, as well as our new snoot attachment, 36 degrees, which also is an EF mount. So I'm anxious to see what you can do with your lenses. We've been joking about the 16 mil and maybe like an anamorphic lens on there, but it's a really cool concept that allows us to do great gobo stuff, same flags, just on a smaller scale, but that's not it. It also allows us to add our Fresnel attachment to the top of this, which now gives us magnetic points for barn doors, or for our different filter attachments, beams, spreaders, cutters, halation, and then one of my personal favorites is the dome adapter. And what I like about the dome adapter is it actually kind of turns it into a lighting fixture. But not only on top of that, they still offer all the other flavors of different kind of China ball attachments for a little bit more directionality, then a little bit more directionality. And then one of my personal favorites is the beam spreader, which is taken off of our Beam Max 90 technology. And this is something I definitely have to show you. For a 60-watt fixture, we're gonna run this at 100%. 60-watt fixture, look at the ceiling. It's not about intensity, it's about throw and projection. So it's just a really great concept to have a fixture that's this small, that's this versatile. It comes in a single light kit, a 2-light kit, and a 4-light kit. When you get the 4-light kit, you get all the flavors on this table, with the exception of the little bit bigger modifiers. But it comes with a Fresnel lens, it comes with your different attachments. We've been kind of joking, bringing it down to like 1 watt intensity. It's almost like a Lego light.
Wow. Let's have a closer look at the light itself. Just
Yes,
to
sir.
see.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah.
You can hold it, put it up, and just show us around, see what's what.
Power button, detachable switches, and then so once you turn it on, 2 turns unlock, and then push in, click, and then all our beautiful HSI, RGB modes, and then Godox has always got to have our famous effects in there. So yeah, just a really awesome, versatile light. The main ones that we've been seeing lately is product photography. They're going nuts about this. 2 V-flat boards, our 4-light kit, soften overhead. Let's throw a little bit of cutter in there. Then maybe you want to add some little bit of texture. Maybe you want to just go full Fresnel. Like, it's just an amazing, and we don't have the option to do it, but we do have a small softbox attachment that
How
does
are you
come with
mounting this light to like a light stand or anything?
We have a 1/4 mount built in, as well as Godox proprietary mount that we use for all our AD flashes. So if you have these laying around already, I know I do. But yeah, simple.
What is this all priced and what is it coming with?
So our single light kit that comes in our small case with our MS60 or the high end, this one, $449 with the battery, light, and Fresnel lens, mount and charging cable. Then the 2-light kit starts at $12.99, and that includes 2 lights with all the fixtures except for the big ones. And then you get the 4-light kit, which does include this bigger fixture, but 4 lights, 8 batteries, and everything for every light to be doubled up and used on. And I do love that when you do buy the 4-light kit, it comes with 8 rechargeable batteries.
You want to show me again how quickly you put on some of these attachments on the front here?
Oh yeah, so
Just so I have it closer. Last time I was a little bit backed up.
Swap if we're going to go onto our dome. If we want to snap on any effects filters, but then I want to hurry up and switch to my snoot. If I want to go from my snoot to my beam light attachment. If I want to change my power, simple, change from my battery pack to my MPF. That also has a 14 volt input. And if I don't want to use that, then my favorite is the Edison, which is just a great, amazing concept.
And there's one on display right here as an example.
We have one on display right here, and let's go ahead. Powered through the Edison.
Very nice, man. Awesome breakdown. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, buddy.